Welcome student to your geography class. Today I'll give you the give reasons of chapter number 2. Longitudes and latitudes are always expressed in angles because longitudes and latitudes tell us the angle between the center of the earth and given spot on the globe. Next, large countries have many time zones because they have large east-west extension. International dateline is not a straight line like others because few countries and island groups are located very close to 180-degree longitude to keep them wholly on same side of the line under one same administration. The international line goes in zigzag way, passing over only seas and oceans. Next, a person gains time as he travels towards the east. As Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours from west to east, so the places towards the east receive sun rays first. That is why a person start traveling towards east gains time. Next, the intervals between successive parallels are constant because distance between the two successive lines of latitudes remain constant, that is your 111 kilometers. Next, a person traveling from Mumbai to London has to alter his watch because a person has to cross many longitudes and time zones from Mumbai to London, and every longitude has a time difference of 4 minutes. Remember, one longitude is equal to 4 minutes and every time zone differ in 1 hour, and time zone difference is 1 hour and one longitude is equal to 4 minutes. Hence, he has to cross 5.5 time zones. Next, the difference between IST and GMT is 5 hours and 30 minutes because GMT is measured from the Greenwich meridian, that is 0 meridian, and Indian Standard Time is measured from 82.5 degree east meridian. So local time from east places are advanced. So IST is ahead from GMT. 1 degree longitude 4 minutes. So 82 it will be your 330 minutes. So 5 hours and 30 minutes. Next, latitudes and longitudes of London, that is 51.30 north and 0.05 west. Latitudes and longitudes of New York, that is your 40.30 degree north and 74.01 degree west. Latitudes and longitudes of Wellington is your 41.26 degree south and 174.47 degree east. The latitudes and longitudes of Rio de Janeiro, that is your 22.55 degree south and 43.12 degree west. So these were your answers. All the best, students.